Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I feel like I didn't do a proper intro. I only did an outro. But anyways, I want you guys to come along with me. I'm going for my first ever boxing. So yeah, so I'm going to learn how to box. And I know I'm already running late, but I just thought to do this real quick intro and then show you guys my outfit. This is just my regular gym set from Halara. Yep, so that's what I'm working with today. I got my Adidas orange sneakers as well, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. Like, this has been a long time coming, and yeah, I've always loved boxing. It's always been like a dream of mine to get into boxing. I just feel like I have the strength for it. I feel like it's definitely going to push me because I've done, you know, most of the workouts, used most gym equipment, but boxing is something I always wanted to try out. So I want you guys to come along with me and let's get started. Booyah! Colosseum Academy for boxing, strength and conditioning. Yeah, there's that. Quick tour of the boxing gym. So they don't have very good lighting in there, but the music is bomb, and I just thought to show you guys that they also have other equipment aside the punching bags. They also have like weightlifting gym equipment as well as treadmills and some cycling machines, some stairmasters and all the likes. I just wanted to show you guys a quick tour, and there you have it. There's the boxing bags and the punching bags and the likes. So yes guys, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got assisted into wrapping my hands while preparing for the actual boxing fit. Then this is the ring area. So guys, this was what he said how our gloves should be looking like. The guy wrapped it in there for me. I forgot to make a video because it was really dark in there, but he was like, obviously it has to cover your I almost said your nipples. It has to cover your knuckles, and yeah, you know, kind of go in between each of your fingers. But it was like I should definitely watch a video on YouTube as to how to do it, you know. And then yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is what your wrap should actually look like. So he did it for me. I know this one already, like in between your thumb. So this is where you start, right? You begin with hanging this on your thumb, and then you just wrap around. Make sure that he said there's no like particular strategy to use or to apply, but just make sure that, you know, your knuckles are properly covered so you don't hurt yourself while you're punching. So yeah. So guys, before I actually started with the boxing, the actual box, I just started to do some crunches, you know, some warm-ups, some sit-ups, some push-ups, whatever you call this workout. I just decided to just do and try just to kind of strengthen me, and boy was it a workout. Like, I underrated it. And guys, so I got there late, so it was definitely a bummer because I missed the actual boxing class. So I had to kind of work out on my own because they have, like, you know, a trainer come for like an hour, train you, you know, just kind of grind you through the boxing. But I missed that class, which was kind of like a bummer. I made like the late part of it, so I couldn't film. And sometimes you don't want to record because you're not sure of the vibe that you're going to be getting, but I was still able to just kind of film. And the guy in the front desk just gave me, you know, a few tips as to how to maintain my form when trying to work out, which was kind of helpful. And guys, I underrated it. So you're going to be seeing me in the later part actually just, you know, boxing, but this was just the ring area. I'm just trying to show you what the ring area looks like, just in case you're interested in trying out boxing. I also wanted to mention that this is a black-owned boxing gym, just in case you're interested and want to support black-owned businesses. This would be a good way to support them. I'm not sure of the rate. You would have to call them for their precise rates, but I did try on the 1 week free trial, meaning that you could come there every day for a week for a free trial once you're registered, but you would have to rent out the gloves, which is like $3 to rent out the gloves. And then you also got the wrap before getting the boxing gloves. The wrap was like $7, I believe, but you could get it's not like you're indebted to get it from the store. I just didn't plan it out well. I could have gotten it from a Walmart close to me and then have that for keeps. But anyways, I still love their gloves, so I tried out the gloves. Then I had, you know, a few gym friends just tell me, you know, what pose to take, what stance to take while boxing, and then the guy in the front desk also assisted me. So one thing I just want to talk about was my experience with boxing as a workout in general. if you're looking to burn calories, you're looking for some strength, just to also, I also noticed that I had, you know, some more endurance, and I really pushed myself. It's one of those workouts that is going to push and work especially your upper body, and you're going to find out that you're also moving quite very often on your lower body. But in terms of getting strength, it's definitely for your upper body, burning calories, giving you that fit, that conditioning and strength training as well. So this was me boxing, and this was my first time ever, guys, and I feel like I did pretty average, right? Pretty average. It definitely needs some work, but with practice I definitely became better. Like the first time ever, like there's room for growth and I can see progress. So yeah, this was my experience with the workout. So you definitely want to at least give it a try. Just try to do like the 1 week free trial and then see if it's something you love. I feel like boxing is something that I'm definitely going to be doing much more often.
You need to wrap your arms first. I wish I had cut the process, but everything happens so quickly, so you have to kind of protect yourself with this wrap first before you kind of use the gloves. So that's one of the things that I just learned. And he also told me that there's a certain way to stand when you want to box, as well as you have to really thrust your hips. You have to thrust your hips more, and yeah, so that's about it. So let me know how I'm doing, guys, and then I'll show you guys the ring, the boxing ring. But there's not much to do there, but I'm just gonna show you for no reasons at all. Other than that, you're just gonna watch me throw punches. Yeah.
If you're looking for a high calorie burning workout, let boxing be on your top 5 workouts to do for a high calorie burning, you know, effect. You're definitely going to be sweating out, definitely going to be pushing yourself to do more. I feel like I wish I had, you know, consistently gone for the free trial. So this is something that I would highly recommend, especially if you're on a weight loss journey, you're trying to kill it, trying to lose weight. Definitely highly recommend. And then I tried the other one, the soft punching bag, for more of like active resting when I'm tired and I just want to actively rest and not just go sit down, which is something that I do. And then I tried also the sandbag. That one was just way beyond my limit right now, just way beyond like the syllabus of what I'm trying to achieve. But yeah, if you got the strength for it, I highly recommend you getting a trainer, getting into the boxing gym, especially if you're on a weight loss journey. So that was my experience on day 1, which even though I didn't join the boxing class, or I didn't meet the boxing class. And also just stick to like one punching bag because you're used to it.
What's up, guys? So I just rounded off with the class, or like the more like I feel like I missed the class I was supposed to join. It was supposed to be for 10 a.m. and I got here like few minutes to 11, and I just met them for like 2 minutes and they were done. So I was definitely late, and that was my bad. I slept in overtime, but they said I also have the opportunity to come during the week, 5 a.m. or 6:15 p.m. or 6:45 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. So I'll be joining that class, and then I'll let you guys know. I might just create that in another vlog. But as far as my experience, I've always loved boxing. So yeah, I definitely I feel like it's such a good workout. It definitely gives you makes you use all of your strength, your muscle. And the guy in the front desk, the customer service guy, was able to tell me how to position myself. He's not a personal trainer, and it was like, oh, use all your weight while punching, use your weight. So he helped me wrap this. It was dark in there, I couldn't film it, but he was like, I can definitely get videos on how to do it on YouTube. So I'll definitely try to do that so I can wrap it myself. But I rented in the gloves. It was for like $3 to rent the gloves. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to show you guys their name while I'm driving past. It's Houston Colosseum Academy. Yeah, so this is close to me, and that was why I came in, guys. I definitely enjoyed it. I've been here for like 2 hours just having fun. I love the vibes up in there. The music was definitely a vibe. There was some Kanye West, the old Kanye West, you know, up in there, and one of the diss tracks for Pete. So it was definitely good vibes up in there, and I can't wait for the class so I can, you know. And I just love a gym because you definitely bounce off each other's energy. So even when you're tired and you see other people working out, you're like, okay, you know what, I'm being lazy, let me get my butt off. So yeah, there was that.